Okay, so we are doing GCSE Maths. This is Unit 18 of the Accelerated Course Statistics, and we're finding we're using the median formula, and we're going to use it now to work out the interquartile range. So we need to find Q1 and Q3. So reasonably complicated here, but we should be okay. And remember, we were using this formula here. So Q1 is going to be our L1. So this was the information we had here, and so once we divided that by 2, and then what I'm doing is dividing this by 4 to find my first quartile. So I'm looking for the 745th number, and so it's going to be then in this group here. So the first quartile is going to be in this group here, because that would be 640 plus another 105. So I want 105 840ths of the way into this group here. So I use my L1, which is the lower class boundary, so that's going to be 20 plus, so what's then my frequency here? How many more into, so it's my n over 4 effectively, so that's going to be 745 take away 640, because that's the frequencies up to but not including that, divided by the frequency of the median of the quartile class, so that's going to be 840, and then the size of that group then is going to be 20. So if you can understand that, you are in good shape. So that's going to be 20 plus, so that's then 105 over 840. That's quite a nice number, I think. Yeah, it's an 8. Multiplied by 20, so it's 2.5. That was quite handy. And then, so my lower quartile then is going to be 22.5. We want 3/4 then of the way through, so what's that going to be? Remember, 1/4 was 745, so times it by 3, and I'm looking for 2235. So let's do my cumulative frequency as I go up here, 1480, so I'm looking for 2235. Keep that out separately. So where do we need to go to get the 2235? So 640 plus 840 was 1480. 1480 plus 540 is 202. And then obviously plus 600 is 2620. So the number I'm looking for, 2235, is in this group here. So my upper quartile group is going to be this one here. So I take my 50, and then I take my, where am I getting my 2235 plus 2235 minus the frequency up to but not including is 2020. Divided by the frequency of that group, which is 600, and then multiplied by the size of that group then, which is 20. So let's say it was 50 plus, so 2235 take away that's obviously then 215 divided by 600. 0.3583 multiplied then by 20, which gives me then 7.16. And that 6 is repeating, so it's actually 7.1. Let's go for 67. So that gives me that 57.2 then is hopefully then going to be my Q3, and to find then my interquartile range. No, wrong way around. 50 57.2, take away 22.5. And that gives me 34.7, which is my interquartile range then for that.